In this video, you'll learn how to use the index and match functions with the min and max functions to find the lowest and highest values within specific categories in your data. Let's get started with some medical equipment data. First, let's find the equipment name with the lowest stock. To do this, use the formula equals index open bracket B2 colon B11 comma match open bracket min open bracket F2 colon F11 close bracket comma F2 colon F11 comma 0 close bracket. Press the enter key, and you'll see that the CT scanner has the lowest stock in the data. Next, let's find the equipment name with the highest stock. To do this, simply copy the previous formula, paste it, and replace the min function with max, press enter, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and share it.